Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to edit PDFs using Foxit PhantomPDF. First, open your desired PDF document within the software. Once it's open, head over to the Edit tab located at the top of the interface. From there, simply click on the Edit Text tool. Now, you can click directly on any text block within your document to start making your desired modifications. It's a straightforward process to begin enhancing your documents. Once you're in editing mode, you have full control over your document's content. You can easily change the font style, size, color, and alignment of any selected text. If you need to add new information, simply insert a new text box anywhere on the page and type away. For images, you can resize them, move them to a different location, or even replace them with a new graphic. These tools give you great flexibility. Beyond text and images, Foxit PhantomPDF allows you to manage your document structure. You can effortlessly rearrange the order of pages, insert new blank pages, or delete unnecessary ones. To enhance visual communication, add shapes such as rectangles, circles, or lines to highlight specific areas. For more complex non-text elements, the Object tool provides precise control, letting you manipulate graphics and other objects with ease. It's very intuitive. After making all your edits, remember to save your PDF document to ensure all your changes are permanently applied. Foxit PhantomPDF also offers advanced features, such as the redaction tool, which allows you to permanently remove sensitive information from your document. Additionally, you can convert your PDF into various other formats, like Microsoft Word or Excel, making it incredibly versatile for different workflows. It's a powerful tool for all your PDF needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.